Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna be studying again alkenes and their reactions. So first of all, let's study hydration reaction. So basically what I mean by hydration is H2O. So any alkene, when it reacts with uh, and by H2O, it should exist in the form of steam gas. Alkene, when it reacts with steam, surprisingly it gives me alcohol, right? Alkene reacts with steam to give me alcohol. Super easy. Now for example, if I have alkene C2H4, which is ethene. When ethene reacts with steam, so it's gonna give me ethanol, which is C2H5OH. And remember, the general formula for alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the general formula for alkenes. Now let's take another example. For example, I'll take C3H6, which is propene. Yeah, when propene reacts with steam, so it's gonna give me I was going to add its name. So it will give me propanol. And what's the formula for propanol? So I'll put 3 in place of N, so I'll get C3, and twice of 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so C3H7OH. Because according to the general formula, it is 2N plus 1. Okay, so twice of 3 plus 1, so it gives me 7. And the name of this is propanol. Okay, it is propanol, whereas this is ethanol. So this is about the hydration reaction. Now let's try a couple of more examples. For example, I have C4H8, and it reacts with steam, so it is going to give me yeah, guess it. So if you have guessed it, it is gonna be butanol, which is C4H9OH, right? Twice of 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 9, and OH is butanol. This is butanol. Now let's draw the structural formula for these three. And remember, all of these reactions are gonna be addition reactions, because alkenes always undergo addition reactions. Alkanes, on the other hand, never undergoes addition reactions. This is because alkenes have a double bond. Now let's see what happens. Now let's draw the structural formula for ethene plus steam gives me ethanol. So now let's draw its structural formula. So let's first draw the structural formula for ethene, which is very easy. Just make sure you draw the bonds correctly, 4 bonds for each carbon. And for steam, we know that it is H2O, right? And for ethanol, we will be having single bonds again, because ethanol, it is, remember, a saturated hydrocarbon, which means it does not contain any double bonds. Okay, so this is our ethanol. Okay, now let's draw the structural formula for propene plus steam, which gives me propanol. So the structural formula for propene And if you haven't watched the how to draw the structural formula for alkenes, make sure you watch my previous video. So this is the structural formula for propene. Now let's draw for steam, H2O, and finally propanol. So we have 3 carbons. All right. Super easy. Organic chemistry is really fun. So this is propanol. Remember that in addition reactions we only have a single product. In addition reactions we have a single product. Make sure you remember this. Like for example, propene and steam, it reacts to give only a single product. Just like here, ethene and steam reacts give me a single product. Why? Because this is addition reaction. We can see that these both add up to give a single product. Just like if I would add 2 plus 1, it would give me 3. Okay, now let's draw the structure for butene. Or butene plus steam. When butene reacts with steam, it is going to give me butanol, right? And what will be the structural formula or the displayed formula? Remember, both are the same things. So we are supposed to draw 4 carbons because 4 is for butene and the rest hydrogens. Make sure you draw 4 bonds for carbon, very very important. And finally the steam, and finally butanol, meth, eth, prop, but, OH. We will go further into alcohols in the future videos, so make sure you stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button. Okay, that's it for today. So we learned that how hydration it is carried out. It is very easy. Just react alkene with steam and you will get a alcohol. So if I have any alkene, for example ethene, it is going to give me ethanol. If I have propene, it is going to give me propanol. If I have butene, it is going to give me butanol. If I have pentene, it is going to give me pentanol. If I have hexene, it is going to give me hexanol, and go on. So make sure you remember this, and the rest is a piece of cake for you. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So stay safe. Bye bye.